All right, we're gonna walk right into the mess here. Yeah. As you guys can see, there's a lot of construction going on in the building where I live nowadays. Yeah, you know what? It was more than I thought. I can't even get over to the cars. There we go. So yeah, welcome back to another video on the main channel, the AutoVlog YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's been a little while since we did an actual vlog on the channel here. The last video uploaded was the Bronco Raptor review. So what you're looking at here now is the two cars in the stable. Over the years, we've had several different cars. We've had, you know, up to 5 cars in the driveway of the old house at one point. You know, not counting the Danger Ranger, like cars that I actually drive on a daily basis. No more do I have a truck, or a personal truck, I should say. The Raptor was always for wifey, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Where is the Raptor? We're going to find out. Also, we're having a lot better weather. It's been a lot of rain lately, so which is a good thing because that gets rid of all the salt. We've had horrible weather this part of the country for the past 3 weeks. It's been cold, it's been snowing, it's just been awful. Finally, the temperatures picked up a little bit the other day, and I had the S65 out and I washed it up because it was just real salty. And since it's kind of wet today, we're not going to drive that. We're going to take the RS7 daily driver. Oh, that's tight. It's because of all the material and stuff on that side that it is so damn tight in the garage here now. Usually I can park the Benz a little further over there, but anywho. A lot of people have told me, like, you need to get rid of the RS7, switch it out for something else. But the truth is, I love this car. I know it might not be like a huge view driver on the channel at the moment, but it's such a good car. And to be honest, you know, for the past few years, I've been, I guess you could say, lucky when it comes to the cars that I've bought, and also, you know, getting in and out of them, and really not losing any money. And if I did, maybe just a little bit, but like the R8, for instance, I made like a lot of money on that car. And I traded my F-150 in for the TRX. I mean, that's because the market was just crazy. I got, I think it was just as much on trade-in value like a year later with over 20,000 miles on it as I paid for it brand new, like sticker price. It was insane. So, but this car here, I actually got into it at the wrong time. I bought it for $50 in 2022 when the market was high on these, and yeah, that market has kind of plummeted a little bit. So I'm actually upside down on this car a little bit on the loan. Like, I owe more than the car is worth, and that's a first for me pretty much ever. So that also, you know, factors into my decision if, you know, I'm gonna get rid of it or not, or change it for something else. But honestly, I love this car. It's a little banged up because, you know, I messed up. Yeah. But I love this car, so it's staying for now. We got to get it fixed up and everything first, and yeah. One thing I love about this car is you just put it down. It's in sport. I mean, it's stupid quick. I mean, it's like raw. It's brutal. I love it. And it sounds great. You guys know I love the S65. I mean, it's my second V12. It's like the ultimate V12 daily. Some might say like a Bentley Continental, whatever. But for me, it's that car. It's amazing. And it's badass. But it's not badass like this car. This car is just way more raw. I know it has a few years on it. You know, it's 2014. It's 10 years old now. It's got 80,000 miles on it. But it's just brutal. Sounds good. Gets freaking 25 miles to the gallon on the highway. When you're driving conservatively, that is. Yep, and to figure out what's happened to the Raptor, we have to go to my old place of work, Moon Township Ford, because this is where it's sitting. And with that being said, it's not sitting where it was sitting. Did it sell? What the hell?
Hello?
Yo.
What up?
Sorry to call you on a Sunday.
That's all right.
Did the Raptor sell?
No.
Oh, okay, because I don't see it on the lot. I was going to film it real quick. Where is it at?
It should be there.
It's not sitting where it was last time, I know that much. Did someone take it as a demo or something like that?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, that's weird.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not inside or anything.
Huh?
It's like, we didn't pull it inside or anything, like, for the weekend.
Yeah, it's not
I
sitting
don't know.
there.
It should be there. It was there.
All right, I'll try to locate it. I just wanted to make sure if it's sold or not, so I'm not driving around here looking for it.
No, it's there somewhere, hopefully.
Okay. All right. All right. Thanks, man.
All right. Yep.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, so this is a bit of a mystery. The Raptor is supposed to be sitting here on the lot because it was traded in for something else. And I just called my buddy Brandon, who's the sales manager here now. And as you guys could hear, he was slightly confused. So I don't know, maybe someone pulled it in without him knowing Saturday afternoon. Because in the state of PA, you don't sell cars on a Sunday, so this is completely empty here now. And the last work day of the week is Saturday for car salesmen in the state of PA. We're gonna hop out here and see if I can see it in the detail bay or something. No, I don't see it in the detail bay. This is weird. Huh. Very odd. I don't know where it's at. So yeah, I mean, if it was like stolen, which obviously it's not stolen, but if that was the case, that spot right there where the blue F-150 is sitting would just be empty, because that's where it was sitting last time I was here, which was right before the weekend. But Brandon said that it was here on Saturday, so it's been moved somewhere, and I don't know where. And neither does Brandon at the moment. So yeah, that's a little weird. But either way, it was traded in for something else that can fit in the garage. So I was going to do a quick little walk around and remind everyone like what we did to it. Paint matched the front and rear bumper, the fender flares, and painted the hood scoop black and the fender vents black as well, the tailgate applique. It was just such a great looking Raptor. Had a 1.5 inch leveling kit on there, and some black Rhino shredder wheels. I mean, you guys know what it looks like. And I was just gonna tell you guys, like, it's for sale if someone wants it. But I'm gonna put up this clip that we filmed, the last clip of the Raptor actually, the day that it was traded in, and then we'll see what she's driving now. So yeah, I know this is kind of sudden on the channel, but this is the last video with the Raptor. It is being traded in today, and yeah, we're gonna cover kind of like the reasons why. And maybe it's, I don't even know at the time of filming this, maybe it's this video or an upcoming video. But yeah, it's been a great truck, 25,000 miles on it. Did our own little personalizations on there with the blacking out the tailgate applique. We did the paint matching for the rear and front bumper, and the fender flares, the grill black. I think they painted this mesh part as well, maybe not, but you know, front bumper paint matched. It's a great looking truck. I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, so that footage was filmed a few weeks ago when we went and traded it in. So we're back here at the old crib, and this is what she replaced it with. It fits in the garage. Yep, here it is, a brand new Ford Exploder. So yeah, maybe not quite as cool as a Raptor, but it still serves its purpose, mainly fitting inside the garage where she now gets to park. It still fits pretty much every bill that she needs in a car. Of course it starts raining when I'm filming this, so we're gonna jump in. So this specific model is called Timberline. So it's got little beefier tires. It's got a little different interior. It is part of the XLT trim, so it doesn't have the elongated screen, but it still has very much of the same features that the Raptor had. It doesn't have cooled seats. And because of the pandemic, Ford is still dealing with supply chain shortages. So we got a $500 360 camera credit because they didn't have enough supply for the 360 camera, I guess. We were very confused in the beginning what that was. Not the lens, we knew what the lens is, but we were confused what that 360 camera credit was because we're like, it has the lens, why isn't the camera working? So I had to read up on that. But the Timberline gets cool little orange accents around the car, and then we have little beefier off-road looking tires. It also has the captain's chairs, so you got full access back to the third row if you ever need it. As you guys can see, the dogs sit back there. It's just furry and hairy and stuff. We have heated seats for rear passengers, which is Sydney, of course, and plenty of room in an Explorer. We have power folding seats, so they go up by the push of a button. I remember back in the day when I was selling Fords, an XLT didn't have power. You had to do this manually. So we've got a third row. So unlike the Raptor, this doesn't have a high output EcoBoost engine. It has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder, still has 305 horsepower, I think it is. So she gets way better fuel economy now as well. And she likes it. Not quite as much as the Raptor, obviously, but it still does the job. So there we have it. A quick little update on the cars on the channel. It's only really 2 that are featured now. I'm going to do a full review of this. I haven't done a Ford Explorer review in ages. I did tons of them back in the day when I worked at Mid-Township Ford, and they all did well. So why not do a Ford Explorer review? And just for old time's sake. I mean, if you've been following along on the channel, you guys know that I'm here all the time. I'm hanging out with the dogs. Everyone's on good terms. We hang out, we spend time together, and yeah. Not that much has changed. But there it is. We're not going to drag it off for much longer. A quick little update video on the cars on the channel. This is what she's driving now. Raptor's gone. Still have the RS7 and the S65. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.